Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix print sharing not working after installing Windows 11 Update KB5065426. Open Windows Update. Update history, click Uninstall Updates. Select Security Update, click Uninstall. Click Restart later. Click Windows Update. Turn off Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Select Extend for 2 weeks. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.